Yamwachi bimsa mwakwa Badwam TV Badwam jumedi eso yeda apostle Dr. Nita Ekwotegwase eni nkwanshen sama wode abreye de du so ne Badwam kase nsam no de obetie wo mu bi ne nra Akwatia by election abana wiye no ne nsem bi na no pay yede ebro wo ko Facebook/Adom TV extra Go TV 119 DSTV 280 ko YouTube Adom TV 2 na kwadomonline.com semine sembebre ewo ho mididi afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni dem yente said semni chemu ankasa etie enra jebo Akwatia by election no ekoso asomdwemu ya yante basabasa bia bamboy mu odin ekoso e ma de hye won potamu ho nso koto aba no asomdwe wi akire no na NDC parliamentary candidate awon mu eyi no Bernard Bedu wono ena aye nkunimdifo ewo abano emu yede ho nsam no ebebro ye nkase ene nkomodi ahodoa ewo mu no emu yeto so na yegina Akwatia na yewi abato no ho ade no na tese nigye ai mu odin ekoso wa Akwatia ene ne mpotamo yenkohwese de na amanfo etu won ho agu monten so ejewani Entienra anajori akoso no sanka na ye fiada pa de anko bomu amade a chewe entieni gie no so de etie no na Ghana mampani John Dramani Mahama de Atolans Commission enim se emfa Ministry of Lands and Natural Resources so na wonye nhwehwemu emfa ban ensase ahodo nyina free 2017 edikosi 2024.
Yet for far too long our land administration system has become a symbol of everything we seek to change in Ghana. Confusion, conflict, and expropriation. Public confidence in land governance is at an all-time low. Land acquisition is fraught with multiple sales, unending litigation and extortion, and also indeed violence. These problems persist in rural, peri-urban, and predominantly urban areas. Nowhere more pronounced than in the Greater Accra region, which is the capital region.
Osan edi tudwa se womo enwe se ensase ye aban no edia aya ton no eye afi 2017 de ba 2024 no ni nyina no womo nyemu hwehwemu na de achia wo mu bia no womo ensiesie.
I've directed the Ministry of Lands and Natural Resources and the Lands Commission to immediately undertake a comprehensive audit of all state lands allocated, leased, or sold, particularly between 2017 and 2024. This audit will cover lands acquired for schools, hospitals, and public institutions, forests and ecological zones unlawfully converted to private use, any transaction tainted by conflict of interest, abuse of power, or political patronage.
Yamampani John Dramani Mahama Neguso Kasai na weno wode to mabunu ni nyina ni mo man Ghana mu say yen kabi mamin kabi amemu no won so mu yie pa na democracy na kabi mamin kabi amemu nya abato nko a ene ma bebre ewo mu nti onfo ho nyim.
Can do 15 years or more, so why do you give 30 years? That is one. Number two, you have perhaps only Ghana, the only country in the world people can forever hold prospecting licenses with life, for want of a better word, in perpetuity. Other countries, I think I'll show you the data. So we want to reduce the number of years companies can hold prospecting licenses so that they get to do work. Because if you know that maybe
Facha say yentumi amo mampani de fa wode afutu mabuno fa democracy ho no yentumi amo na emumu no Chief Executive Officer da Minerals Commission Martin Isi enene wo se hwehwemu ene sakraye koso minerals mining laws no ene ho hwehwe na wo se sakraye koso no betumi aboa amefuma gudie tuo no so ejane na so
can do 15 years or more. So why do you give 30 years? That is one. Number two, you have perhaps only Ghana, the only country in the world people can forever hold prospecting licenses with life, for want of a better word, in perpetuity. Other countries, I think I'll show you the data. So we want to reduce the number of years companies can hold prospecting licenses so that they get to do work. Because if you know that maybe 6, 7, 8 years, you lose it. If you don't hurry and work quickly, then so be it. And then we can also get a rest for the small scale people. I mean, it's an international practice. It's just unfortunate that in Ghana here, there's no limit on the number of years you can hold the license. And then some of the agreements and co we signed over the years have not helped us as a nation. Development agreements with locked-in stabilization clauses. When things change, look at the gold price. It's heading to $3,500 an ounce.
Osan edi tudwa se afie etwemu no ehihye ya womo ene womanfo yi esan krata no emfasodie bia ama amfa ma oman ne kra
Ghana say there say they aka obisame as far as I'm concerned permanent solution is block at here say all nya say ye hwehwem so that benya asase ne dey ama small scale for no and no pa na botaya ye just say very important. And it's starting mining. The first mine here was 1897. How many years? Almost 128 or so years, over 100 years. And we couldn't pass a machine in the market. I'm so telling mining up. Why? Said the Achichi could be in a boy.
Odi atudwa se efri enei ekru na hyehyɛ eguna kwan so ya small scale miners ye ba be boa na wo matwe ho efri mercury wono mo edi won dwuma no CEO da Minerals Commission ano ene de semi tudwa bra won nsantwefo hye mu wo poyamantem.
Lawyer and Chief Executive Officer Minerals Commission Martin Isi edi atudwa se enyade obia betimi edi eye mercury anase cyanide edi dwuma bi abra won koje tumi enfree eye asoye a wo na hwe lands any natural resources eso ochemu a sa mercury eyade enya nsunsu asobone pa so mo edi gunso mo a ewo kwan bone so a odi tudwa se sa na montu eyade a wo mo pese wo mo di si wo manfo ekwan wo ma wo mo di tu eye egudie ewo kwan bone so
we dey straightforward we so mo ja mercury use and also we mo mercury free machines there will be below the more some of these cooperative mining areas are never licensing say no and yeah there be some using mercury this is per machines
Savannah Bantam ne mo swafo ne mpanifo ahodo bi abo aprako benyere ekro no mu na woni adehye kwakodi enkomo asresa sumdue enkoso amfa ne ntuma pa emfra
Savannah Regional Minister Ninsra Hwodiko Piemu ewo saa mpatemu wono no okohwese asumdue bekoso ewo ho enama ye Chief Palace ewo Binyiri ene omanfo bi a womo eto anananom ewo nsiedo enipa bi mu ekumomo osandi tudwa se enipa dodo ato anananom onsiedo pa ena mentimo ase akoso ewo Gonja ene Lobby Fontem.
I've also agreed based on our interactions that they don't have any right to any land whatsoever. And that is refreshing. The president also promised of setting up a certain committee or commission to bring an end to all the nitty-gritties which will have triggered this unfortunate situation. We hope and pray that we are able to embrace ourselves as it is and reintegrate ourselves properly and for the necessary activities to go on.
Ohine awono na wo tuna rua Daniel Safo Amantana enso ne nsentwofo twetwe nkomo no odi tudwa se opasumdue ewo sam patemu opa
belongs to some people from Cote d'Ivoire, people from any place coming to Ghana. Ghanaians in general will not allow it, and within Ghana itself we have divisions, we have landowners, we have citizens, and this Gonja land belongs to Gonjas and no other person. Even the indigenous that we came and met, the land does not belong to them. It belongs to the Gonjas. And then together, we are able to maintain and then close out the land to people.
Adom TV Badwam Kasiana Ugiso Shanana, Acting Managing Director Ghana Water Company Limited. Adam Muta Wakilu say adihye ye wo enkranka won komanto won ye menchen suo ebebu sokura sabre ya pon ene woja treatment plants jisha won mo ye no omawie
Omanfo bekaya na nsentem okopiem ewo enkran efa bebi a womanfo a womo etete ho no ebi enye nsuo na wei na ye Ghana Water Company Limited ede betu dwase womo emiemia womo emfidie bi ho ewo ye kpon ene wager Managing Director ma eye Jumakuo no eye Muta Wakilu ede atudwa se imfidi ana womo eye ho adwuma ne sese womo de aba wiye amansuo no womo ebie wo kiremu ansuo a womo ebie no womo behwe se womo ebebie ne kese na womanfo a womo tete enkran ene ne mpatema womo enye nsuo no safo no etime enye nsuo dodo wo de sansem we atudwa abra obo apro ekopiemu ewo konyako ene winiba ekohwe womo water treatment plant ewo ho no.
We know that when you look at the demand of water in Accra vis-a-vis the supply, there is a huge shortfall. So that means even if we are producing to the maximum capacity, it's not everybody who will still get water. But we are discussing with government to see how we can get more treatment plants to be able to increase production. For example, currently the demand is almost 220 million gallons a day, but our production capacity is about 140 million gallons. So that means with the 140 vis-a-vis demand of 220, we have almost 80 million gallons shortfall. And that is a fact. So we are doing everything to ensure that at least you get water, even if not 24/7. Every 2-3 days you get water, you store, use, and then while we expand production.
Meeting at the Prince Owusu Esiedu, Adom News.
Yanto so na yen sorry edi kan de to moni mo sa Akwatia by election across we DC de wodi no ejina ye se won prem ra shebedwa akonya di mu nkunim no entiemra.
Saying the gentleman made a categorical statement. I will resign. Let us go and test their strength in that constituency and see whether that's a strong hold of the MPP. That's why you could stand and say he will resign. He was here with us. We are going to hold him. If he doesn't resign, we will write to the Speaker of Parliament. And he must apologize in the floor of Parliament so that the whole public will see who he is, so that they know that certain activities of people like that should not be countenanced.
Fache na yenya isi for eneno yankasia hudu mono yede bebro yenyina no so na Adom TV Badwam kasia na hanebrema kwan na yede asiase da yewodia emreni adaje a wode mai wadaro ma yede de bonkrata no ne Adom online stories no to aso tweye yekwaba.